Have you ever gazed at the stars and wondered if we are alone in the universe? It's a question as old as humanity itself. We're delving into the fascinating topic of extraterrestrial life, a quest that has captivated minds for centuries. Join us as we journey through the history and progress of the search for life beyond our planet. The possibility of extraterrestrial life has intrigued humans for centuries. This fascination with life beyond our planet is not a new phenomenon. It dates back to our earliest civilizations, when our ancestors would gaze up at the night sky, awestruck by the vast cosmos. Ancient cultures like the Greeks and Mayans incorporated celestial bodies into their mythologies and religions, attributing divine characteristics to them. They wondered if these distant stars and planets were home to gods, spirits, or other life forms. The Greeks, for instance, believed in celestial beings known as the Astro, or wandering stars. Meanwhile, the Mayans saw the Milky Way as a pathway to Xibalba, their underworld, which they believed was populated by otherworldly beings. As we progressed into the Renaissance, this curiosity about extraterrestrial life took a more scientific turn. Pioneers of thought like Giordano Bruno dared to challenge the geocentric worldview. Bruno, an Italian Dominican friar, philosopher, mathematician, and astronomer, was one of the first to speculate about the existence of life on other planets. He proposed that the universe was infinite and that it contained an infinite number of worlds populated with life. Bruno's ideas were radical for his time. They went against the prevailing belief that Earth was the center of the universe and the only planet capable of hosting life. Despite the severe repercussions he faced for his beliefs, Bruno's theories sparked a paradigm shift. They laid the groundwork for the Copernican revolution and eventually our modern understanding of the universe. However, these speculations and beliefs were largely based on philosophical and religious interpretations. They lacked empirical evidence, the scientific tools and methods required to explore these theories and prove the existence of extraterrestrial life were still centuries away. So, while the concept of life beyond Earth has been a part of human consciousness for millennia, it remained in the realm of speculation and conjecture for most of our history. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that the search for extraterrestrial life truly began. In the 20th century, the search for extraterrestrial life took a scientific turn. A significant stride in the journey was the emergence of astrobiology, a field of study that combines the disciplines of astronomy, biology, and geology to explore the possibility of life beyond Earth. Astrobiology seeks answers to how life began, how it evolved, and most importantly, whether we are alone in the universe. Around the same time, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, was established. SETI scientists dedicated their work to detecting intelligent life outside our planet. They did this by scanning the cosmos for signals that could potentially be from extraterrestrial civilizations. The goal was not just to find life, but intelligent life that had developed technology, which might indicate a civilization advanced enough to communicate with us. In the quest to quantify the probability of intelligent life in the universe, the Drake equation was formulated, named after its creator, astrophysicist Frank Drake. This mathematical equation attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our Milky Way galaxy. The equation considers factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, the number of planets that could potentially support life, and the lifespan of such civilizations. However, the Drake equation is not without its critics. Some argue that the variables it uses are too speculative, making the results unreliable. But regardless of the debate, the equation has played a crucial role in framing our understanding of the potential for intelligent life in the universe. With the birth of astrobiology, the creation of SETI, and the formulation of the Drake equation, the 20th century marked a pivotal shift in our search for extraterrestrial life. It was no longer about gazing at the stars and wondering. It was about applying rigorous scientific methods to answer one of humanity's most profound questions. The search for life beyond Earth wasn't just confined to the stars, though. Our own solar system has been a hotbed of exploration and speculation. In the pursuit of extraterrestrial life, few places have been as enticing as our neighbor Mars. For years, rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and the most recent Perseverance have been our eyes and ears on the red planet. They've traversed its rocky surface, drilled into its soil, and analyzed its composition. The findings? Evidence of ancient water flows and organic molecules, the building blocks of life. While this doesn't confirm life, it certainly stokes the fires of possibility. Now let's shift our gaze from the red planet to the gas giant Jupiter. Orbiting this massive planet is a moon that may harbor an ocean twice the size of Earth's. Yes, we're talking about Europa. Encased within a shell of ice, Europa's ocean may be warmed by tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity. Could this be a cozy home for life as we don't know it? The upcoming Europa Clipper mission will hopefully provide some answers. But let's not forget about our very own moon. A recent discovery has made it a more exciting place than we previously thought. Scientists have found evidence of water on the sunlit surface of the moon. This discovery challenges our understanding of lunar geography and hints at the possibility of using this water for future lunar missions. While the moon isn't a prime candidate for life, this finding nonetheless opens up new avenues for exploration and speculation. Indeed, our solar system is a treasure trove of potential and mystery. From the barren plains of Mars to the icy oceans of Europa to the surprising surface of our moon, each discovery brings us a step closer to answering the tantalizing question: are we alone? The search for life in our solar system is still ongoing, and we are constantly discovering new possibilities. The search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. We stand on the precipice of a new era, an era defined by our explorative spirit and the ceaseless push of technological advancement. The future of this search is filled with promise, largely due to the efforts of organizations such as NASA, the European Space Agency, and private companies like SpaceX. NASA, with its Mars 2020 mission, has truly set the stage for the future. The Perseverance rover is currently exploring the Jezero crater on Mars, looking for signs of ancient microbial life. And that's just the beginning. The Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon by 2024, is another giant leap in our quest to understand the cosmos. It is hoped that this mission will pave the way for a manned mission to Mars in the next decade. The European Space Agency, not to be outdone, is also planning ambitious missions. Their ExoMars rover, set to launch in 2024, will drill into the Martian surface, searching for evidence of life past or present. Private companies are also playing their part. SpaceX, under the visionary leadership of Elon Musk, is developing the Starship. This spacecraft, designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond, could revolutionize space travel and our search for extraterrestrial life. In addition to these missions, the advancements in technology are truly propelling us into the future. From more powerful telescopes that can probe deeper into the cosmos, to AI and machine learning algorithms that can process vast amounts of data, our toolkit is expanding. These tools will not only aid in the search for life, but also help us understand the universe in ways we've never done before. As we stand on the threshold of this new era, the possibilities seem endless. Our search for extraterrestrial life, driven by curiosity and the human spirit, continues to push us forward into the unknown. As we continue to explore the universe, the question remains, are we alone? So are we alone in the universe? We've journeyed together through the annals of time, from the early speculations of our ancestors gazing up at the night sky to our present-day scientific endeavors. The question of extraterrestrial life has been a constant companion, a mystery that continues to captivate us, generation after generation. We've dived into the early speculations, exploring the musings of philosophers and scholars who dared to dream of life beyond our blue planet. Their ideas, while not always scientifically accurate, paved the way for a more rigorous approach to the question of life outside Earth. We've delved into the modern search, a scientific quest driven by technology and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Telescopes, probes, and satellites have become our eyes and ears in the universe, scanning the skies for signs of life. We've made tremendous strides, yet the vastness of space reminds us of how much there is still to explore. Our journey also took us through our own backyard, our solar system. From the red Martian plains to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, we've sent our robotic emissaries to seek signs of life. These missions have transformed our understanding of where life could potentially exist. Looking ahead to the future of the search, we see a landscape filled with more advanced technology, deeper space missions, and an unwavering spirit of exploration. The question of life beyond Earth remains open, but our desire to find the answer has never been stronger. While we may not have definitive answers yet, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to inspire and drive us to explore the unknown. The cosmos beckons, and we, with our innate curiosity and boundless ambition, are ready to answer the call.